I died with Dumi Masilela and took him to heaven before resurrecting, Pastor Mboro said. The self-proclaimed prophet and founder of the Incredible Happenings Church, Pastor Mboro, has described a stranger-than-fiction resurrection experience of how he died the same minute actor Dumi Masilela died and accompanied him to heaven, then resurrected. According to Mboro, founder of Incredible Happenings Church, he was bestowed with deliverance powers that are now sought after by people from all walks of life. Narrating his experience, he said, "I knew Dumi'll not enter heaven because of his past mistakes, but because I have been to heaven before, I went there with him so I could negotiate with St. Peter. It worked. When Dumi and I entered each of these layers of heaven, I would see angels and they would tell me to proceed. But when I reached the third heaven, I was met by an angel who told me to go back to life, and leave Dumi there. He was happy. There was a lot of singing and rejoicing by the heavenly hosts." Pastor Mboro made headlines last year when he said he went to heaven during Easter and took photos of heaven. He went on to say that the pictures are available for R5000 and can be sent to recipients via WhatsApp.